I have made some changes. So from here, this is a space you have to leave. I'll tell you what would be the reason. So I have made some changes in my data. Okay. And this part 2, let's copy here. Take a notepad. Okay. So let's take out word wrap. Let's copy here. Let's try to save the file. Okay. So customers, I'll just give this name. Okay. In desktop, let's try to save the existing file. Okay. Customer mass Lsmw upload. Let's try to check this one. Okay. So probably you can see the notepad. This is how we need to prepare. Okay. So let's go back to SAP. One moment. I'm just opening up SAP here. Okay, this is got closed. Let me try to check here. As I said that you have to prepare the file. So this is the place where specify the file. Okay. So let's double click here. So by default, it is in display mode. Okay. So it won't help us out. Let's come here. So now it is in change mode. Single field by fields, if you want, you can create it. But we're trying to upload. Okay. Let's take any name. Okay. So let's try to make it pro1. Okay. Lsmw. Let's take the file, say customer Lsmw. So you have to remember this one. It's always should be in tabular format. Let's click this. Okay. Save. You can able to see this data source from the structure table, and it is separated. Whatever the table, it is separated by tabular format. And okay, this is how you have to do it. Next, assign file. It's simple. Select this, go to the change, and save this. We're assigning this file, and we're reading the data. Once the file uploaded, then assigning, we're reading the data now. Okay, let's read this. Okay, read, return. Okay, transaction, everything should be all right. Here is the place. Suppose if you uploaded 1000 records, out of 1000 records, sometimes some 10 is wrong, then 10 won't be shown here. Okay, this is the place, this is the advantage. 10,000 records, because sometimes because of single file, single field also Lsmw fails actually. Okay, next, display the read data. Okay, here sometimes maximum number of lines it will be maintained, that you have to remove it. It's already used Lsmw, then I don't have this. You can see this. See, this is why you have to keep it the space. Most of the times people don't know. So you can see this. All these are the fields. Okay, place, ICAP, tax classification, Incoterms, and your invoice dates. All these are the different fields. You can see this. This is the company code, sales organization, distribution channel. Let's check each and every row. Okay. If something is wrong, then you cannot able to see here. Okay. I'm just trying to observe the data. If any mismatch is there, let's check here one by one. You cannot able to check all records. Probably if it fails out of 10,000 records. Let's do the conversion. Okay. So if you want, let's do it. Convert here. Okay. Transaction read, records read, transaction written, records written. All right. Go to the next step. So display converted data. You can able to see the data. Sometimes you will have a maximum line that you, if you want, you can able to specify it. Generally, on bulk data, these steps will be useful. Okay. So now you can see this. Let's click here. So it seems to be data. Everything is all right now. Okay, before going ahead, let me show you one thing. SC16N. Okay, what is our current sales organization? JA01. Okay, if you see this, these many customers already created. Okay, so it's almost there, it's red. So 13 we have shown, right? Let's go back and let's try to check what is the internal range. Okay, so we required, one second, let me pull up the screen. Okay, which screen you are seeing now? Okay, it's the correct screen. So everything all right? Your T code is XD01. What are the project you have created? Okay, all good to go. This time, create batch input session. You have to keep this tick mark. If it is not tick mark, keep batch input files folder. Okay, that's it. Last step, but not least, it's very important. It's to see previously it is failed. Now let's see this. Now go to the process run. Let's choose the, generally you can able to do, like, if it is more than 10,000 records, I have seen in real time, like, 5,000, 6,000 condition records, then better do this background. Sometimes background also will be stopped, your internet connection, some other issues are there. Like, because of single record, sometimes it may take half an hour or 1 hour, it fails. Okay, don't expect that it is so faster and bulk data, but it's okay. It depends on the quality of data, how you are uploading. Display errors means it will show the error and click on process. See, process for batch input session is completed. Okay, let's go to the session overview. See, if you get this tick mark, this is got successful. Let's click this and go and check the log. Okay, now see this 5 got successful. So now let's go to the log. You can see here. Okay, if we click on display, it will show the records XT01, XT01, it's got executed. Okay, this is all too good. 5 transaction read, 5 transaction process. Okay, 0 with errors, 0 got deleted. Okay, certain time, certain custom programs will be there to have this one. Okay, so if you wanted to see, like, from 16, 15th is the last customer, right? 16, 17, 18, 19, 25 customers got created. Now let's go to the, go back. All right, SC16N. Okay, now let's try to execute for our sales organization. Okay, now see this. Previously it was still 15th, last record it ran. Now you can able to see 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5 customers it is got created. If you want, I will show you one, call it one sample. Okay, /xd03. So you can take anything till 20 is there. You can able to see this. This is how you can able to work for Lsmw. Okay, I think it is a bit lengthy because we have prepared our own data in the session itself on live. So I made it this one as 2 sessions. Okay, 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. Please go through it, so it will be helpful to you. You can try on your own. Okay, if you like my video, you can subscribe it. Please share for others to enhance their knowledge as well. One more request, this I have already shown you. If you like my courses, you can subscribe. This is SD course, 90 hours. I'm just trying to add this video as well as. So, like, I have few set of courses. I'm just providing these links below this video. If you really wanted to go through all these courses, you can go through it. This is what I would like to say. Okay, so with this we can conclude our Lsmw. Okay, so thank you so much. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for joining this session. I wish you all the best. Jai Hind.